नमस्कार दोस्तों। देखते हैं ऑप्शंस में कुछ अच्छा ट्रेड अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है क्या फॉर मार्च सीरीज। ये आपके सामने जो डेटा है, दिस इज ऑप्शन चेन ऑफ एनएससी। एनएससी की साइट से लिया हुआ कंप्लीट एनएससी का साइट का ऑप्शन चेन डेटा है। अगर इस पे यहाँ पे ध्यान दें, इफ वी ऑब्जर्व द ओपन इंटरेस्ट पोजीशन ऑफ 14,000 पुट is approximately around more than 30 lakh. And this is the highest open interest for the March series. अभी सीरीज का फर्स्ट डे हुआ है एंड वेरी हाई ओपन इंटरेस्ट इन 14,000 पुट। और जैसा कि अगर आपने निफ्टी का जो एनालिसिस था चार्ट्स पे चर्चा के वीडियो में, अगर वो आपने नहीं देखा हो आप फिर से देख सकते हो। आई हैव क्लियरली सेड 14,000 13,700 zone will be very critical, that being also the January lows as well as the previous buying support zone, demand zone, multiple things. And option data also suggests 14,000 likely to be a good support zone. But something interesting to be observed is if at all 14,000 gives away, यानी कि 13,700 14,000 zone if breaks, then don't be surprised to see a target of 13,100 13,000 and maybe even 12,500 within the March series। ये मैंने निफ्टी के एक्सप्लेनेशन चार्ट्स में एक्सप्लेन किया था। उसके बेसिस पे इफ वी लुक एट trade opportunity in options, then 14,000 put around 214 looks a good risk reward trade opportunity. Buying 14,000 put at 215 around 200 210 if we get on Monday, and look for a selling 13,500 put around 100 110, that is reducing a cost to 100 points in Nifty put 14,000 put. This is the one way to trade. Alternatively, what happens in this trade is 14,000 put long, 13,500 put short, a put spread banega, a put spread costing of 100 points, a potential reward of 400 plus points, profit of 400 plus point. Alternatively, a best suggestion from me would be to look for a trade in 13,500 or 13,000 puts as per your risk. 13,000 put is right now around 58. If you can get this around 50, this would be a best trading opportunity with a stop of 20, because the profit potential in that is likely to be 500 to 500 points or more. So if 50 to 500 is approximately kind of 10 bagger move for a risk of 30 points, a worth taking risk, provided 14,500 breaks on Monday. Something for the option writers, if you are not in an option buying side and given the VIX is high, if someone look to short option, I would suggest one can look to short 15,000 call, which is around 220 right now. On Monday, if you get it around 220 to 210 or 250, 240, anything, a best opportunity would be to sell this call around 220, have a stop loss of 250 260 zone as a resistance, and expecting this to be as a zero by March series ending. Probability weighs on a downside as of now, so this can be a good opportunity to short with a stop loss of 260. So either you look for option long via 14,000 put, or you can look with a short via 15,000 call. A move of 800 to 1,000 points looks very much possible, and as of now bias remains for a downside. So a put long or call short is a good opportunity trade. Remember, option selling and option buying, specifically when VIX is high, is a high risk trade. VIX is around 28, so premium drop can be very fast if you're option buyer, and the moves can be violent either side if you're option seller. So you need to be very alert and follow proper risk management. So this trades are suggested keeping in mind someone is good at option trading. And let's see, we will be reviewing the performance during the week or by next weekend. This trade is suggested for complete March series. We will be review it again. Till then, focus on this. Bias remains for the target of 14,000 to 13,700 zone test immediate basis. And beyond this, if it sustains, then expecting 13,100 and then 12,500 within the March series. That's it for us from us for today. We'll be back soon, hopefully during the week. If some trade adjustments are to be suggested, do follow Telegram channel. An update will be provided over there. Links are provided in the description of this video. And do subscribe and do share this channel, these videos to your friends. Thank you once again.